In 2018, major companies in America spent $120 billion just on paper. But this is not the whole picture. Many companies are required to maintain these papers for several years. Now they're storing thousands of pounds of paper. Our system takes your existing permits and incorporates them into our application. This makes the transition to paperless permits easier, because your permit writers are already seeing something very familiar to them. The permit writer starts their day the same as any day, but now, instead of writing on paper, they write on a tablet or type on a laptop. But here is where it gets better than just being paperless. Instead of using a pen to sign the permits on paper, with a tablet, they can use their finger to sign the permit as well as the contractor. The permit writer simply hits the Issue Permit button. It gets uploaded as a locked document, and notifications get sent to a display, called the dashboard, on the wall in the operations control room. The dashboard will show the permit number and the location of the work and what permits were issued. The dashboard gets updated in seconds. No more phone calls needed. If any changes are required on the original permit, then the writer can log into the application and access the locked document to add to the permit. This time, when the document is uploaded, those changes that were made will be in red and the document is locked again. It will also log the time it was changed and notify operations that there was a change made. This change will be shown on the dashboard in near real time. Now, let's say we have a stop work situation that requires the permit to be closed early. The permit writer initiates the stop work. The application will send out a priority notice to the dashboard for that specific permit. The affected permit will become highlighted to indicate a stop work. In addition, notifications will be sent out to the appropriate people in near real time. This is just a brief overview of what the first version of the system can do. The next versions can incorporate almost any feature you'd like. This application is fully customized and written for each individual client, which means that the paperless permitting system that we make for one client will not work for another client. What do you want it to do?